Ruby, you enjoying the ice? This is just pure ice and sleet. It is the big 2026 snowstorm in the U.S. It is pretty cold here in DFW, Texas. It's a wind chill of about 5 degrees. This is what I got. I got a bunch of sleet and ice, not really snow, but you know, close enough. Ruby. It's Remy's first time in the snow and ice. He's actually shaking. He's cold. I know, he's so... Oh, he kind of enjoys it. I don't know. He's cold, though. Remy. 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 Remy, stop sniffing everything. Roxy, she's shaking so bad. I know it's cold. Roxy, hi. I know, you're cold on the ice. She's shaking. I don't know if Roxy likes it that much.